six-pack of beer. I drink them all. I got no fear when I crash my car. There's an open bar tonight, aka Roadhouse Bar Fight. My Mopar blows hard, makes your Porsche look like a go-kart. Beardo, I'm a producer. Fuck your music, you're a loser. You can look me up, I'm a has-been, and you might see me in a trash bin with a fully automatic weapon. Beardo, I'm always reppin'. Smith and Wesson. Now detectives are asking questions.
He's a white man living in a black man's world, trying to make $1 out of 25 cents. He's a white man living in a black man's world, and he's a hunky ass motherfucker.
Bitch, my dick is hard. You're gonna need to bring a mouth guard. I've been cooking methamphetamines. Stepdad taught me when I was 11. Shoulda woulda been a Marine, but my piss test came out green. That means it ain't clean. I wobbled when I held the laser beam. See, I don't give a fuck. Do a drop by my pickup truck. Don't press your luck. You'll be floating like a rubber duck. I ain't no motherfucking coward. I bear arms, American power. I sniff gunpowder and butt fuck your wife for an hour.
He's a white man